The power of eye contact. Unlock the secret of successful introductions. Hello learners. Welcome to our new video. Today, we are going to discuss an important aspect of introductions, maintaining eye contact. Eye contact is not just about looking at someone's eyes, it's about making a connection. It's a critical part of communication that can make your introductions more effective and engaging. So, let's dive in. When we talk about eye contact, we mean the act of looking directly into someone else's eyes during a conversation. In the context of introductions, it's an essential way to establish immediate rapport and show your attention. However, it's not about staring. It's about maintaining a balanced and comfortable level of eye contact. Too little may suggest disinterest, while too much might make others feel uncomfortable. During an introduction, eye contact plays a crucial role. Firstly, it signifies that you are focused and attentive. It shows the other person that you are interested in them and what they have to say. Secondly, it helps establish a connection. By maintaining eye contact, you can show empathy, understanding, and respect. Lastly, it is a key way to express confidence. Good eye contact can suggest that you are self-assured and capable. Effective eye contact requires a bit of practice. Here are some tips to help you improve. 1. Start practicing with people you are comfortable with, like friends or family. This can make it easier to get used to maintaining eye contact during conversations. 2. Try to maintain eye contact for about 50 to 60% of the conversation. This is typically seen as a comfortable range that allows you to express interest without making the other person feel overwhelmed. 3. Use the 50-70ths rule. During introductions, try to maintain eye contact for about 50% of the time when you're talking and 70% of the time when you're listening. This shows the other person that you're not just focused on what you're saying, but you're also interested in their response. 4. Remember to blink normally. Keeping your eyes wide open for too long can make the other person feel uncomfortable, and it can make you appear surprised or frightened. Blinking naturally can help you maintain comfortable eye contact. And that's it. Remember, maintaining appropriate eye contact is a vital part of successful introductions. It shows respect, interest, and confidence. So next time you introduce yourself, keep these points in mind. Practice makes perfect. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Until next time, keep learning, and stay curious.